Say hola to a green snack. We the people, we Americans. And yes, I am a proud American. Even if you can understand my accent, we are a country of snacking, of eating between meals and at all hours. It can be a street food or a bag of chips, but it's almost always eaten without much time to sit and really enjoy. But we are also a country of healthy eating. From sustainable to all natural. What if I told you that there is a snack that satisfies both? To those who snack daily and live to eat, and those who eat to live, those who satisfy their hunger between hours with something fast, and those who enjoy quality, healthy food. Snacking is really global. So why not give it a more Mediterranean, social, exciting flair? Say hola to a new kind of snack, a green snack.
Hola!
To a snack that is both tasty and makes your body say gracias. A snack that you can prepare in 1,000 ways, but will only take a minute. Because besides being all flavor, olives are a snack you can enjoy at work, on the way home, or after the gym. So make your snacking moment a tasty one with olives. A tasty message from Europe. Have a delicious and healthy day. Have an olive day.
Campaign financed with aid from the European Union.